Hi JUNMAY, welcome to my channel. Today is for type 0004 sweater. Let's check it out the entire manufacturing process. I use 7 gauge machine to knit the sweater, using 2 strand yarn for 1 yarn feeder. 3x1 and 1x1 cable is the pattern for the sweater. The size is 7 divided by 2 times 30, 105 needles. 7 divided by 3 times 30, 70 rotations. I just want to use 1 yarn feeder to knit this fabric. Threading the yarn before make it with knitting machine. When the sample has been knitted, take the waste yarn off from the fabric. The yarn is a synthetic yarn, so I use little chemical portion for this type of yarn. If you need chemical portion for the yarn you're using, tell me in my WhatsApp. You just take a picture of the yarn material and tell me the yarn material composition. I'll offer you the chemical portion applied to the yarn you're using, so that sweater is soft, fluffy, and smooth. If you need, talk to me in my WhatsApp. When the sample has been knitted, throw it in the water and let it stay for 15 minutes. Then wash it for 15 to 20 minutes before dehydrated. Throw it in the dryer for 40 minutes. Iron it to let the sample flat. We can measure the density now. The horizontal density is 105 needles divided by 22.3 equals 4.7 needles per centimeter. The vertical density is 70 rotations divided by 21.5 equals 3.25 rotations per centimeter. The horizontal density for 2x2 rib is 105 divided by 22 equals 4.8 needles per centimeter. The vertical density for 2x2 rib is 15 divided by 4.5 equals 3.3 rotations per centimeter. Make the sweater outline in the calculation sheet software. If you want to buy the sweater calculation sheet software, tell me in my WhatsApp. The type I choose is the flat shoulder with the sleeve, round neck, straight clip for front part and the back part. The straight waist I want to have for the sweater. Type in the density for each part of the sweater before you change the curve for each part. The step is easy, because I just use the sweater template without writing it by hand. Transfer the data into the HQPDS. Start the program. If you want to purchase knitting machine or spare parts, if you're my customer, not only can you have the VIP service from the knitting machine company, but my own personal service as well. I will send you many pattern files and the sweater files. The sweater files contain calculation sheet, HQPDS files, machine parameters for the sweater, as well as the yarn information and what chemical portion I use for the sweater. I will send you different files every week for free. If you need, apart from the programming course from the company, I can let you in my personal programming course and the calculation sheet course. In sum, be my friend, I'm waiting for you in the WhatsApp. When the programming process is over, make the front part, back part, 2 sleeves, as well as the collar. Take the waist yarn off from the fabric. Load the top row for these parts, and sew them together with the linking machine. Then bury the yarn in the sweater, flip the sweater outside, then put it in the washing machine. Let it stay in the water for 15 minutes before you wash it for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Dehydrate it for 20 minutes before you throw it in the dryer and dry it for 40 minutes. The last process, iron it, and the sweater has been made. If you need the sweater files and the machine parameters, or want to purchase camera portion to that sweater fluffy, soft, and smooth, or want to purchase shima, stoll, or Chinese knitting machine spare parts, tell me in my WhatsApp, and I'll see you in the next episode, type 0005.